Today we have the 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This vehicle has done just over 74,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, radio, media, smartphone integration, and our vehicle settings. If we put our vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a reversing camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.